Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make earth bricks. Earth bricks are an amazing, sustainable building material, offering a fantastic alternative to conventional options. They are incredibly cost-effective, utilizing readily available resources like soil and water. Plus, they provide excellent thermal mass, which means your buildings stay cooler in summer and warmer in winter, leading to significant energy savings. It's a simple yet powerful way to build. The foundation of a great earth brick is the right soil. You'll want a balanced mix of sand, silt, and clay, ideally around 60 to 70% sand. A simple jar test can help you determine your soil's exact composition. Once you've found suitable soil, it's crucial to remove any organic matter, rocks, or debris. Then, sieve it through a fine mesh to ensure a consistent, uniform texture for optimal brick quality. Now, let's get mixing. Gradually add water to your prepared soil until it reaches a plastic consistency, similar to dough. This is where stabilization comes in. You'll typically add a stabilizer like cement or lime, usually 5 to 10% of the soil's dry weight. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure the stabilizer is evenly distributed. The final mixture should hold its shape when squeezed, but not be too wet or crumbly. The final steps involve forming and curing your bricks. Press the mixture firmly into your brick molds, ensuring there are no air pockets. Carefully remove the freshly formed bricks and place them in a shaded, well-ventilated area for curing. This process is crucial for strength. Keep them consistently moist for the first few days, then allow them to dry slowly for at least 3 weeks. This slow curing prevents cracking and ensures maximum durability.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.